So guys, make sure to stay until the end, because if you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts, diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stay until the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find, guys, where the heater fuse is located, which fuses control the heater, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So guys, the heater fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this Dodge Challenger right here. Now guys, quick reminder. Most people that own that generation Dodge Challenger do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in it, so we will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Dodge Challenger. What you guys need to do now, open the hood, and when you open the hood facing the engine, on the left side, this is the passenger side here. Okay, if we zoom in, you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs, open that cover, and you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So the Climatronic fuses, where you can, guys, expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Challenger right here. Now, most people, guys, that own that generation Dodge Challenger do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. And that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel. Check it out, please, guys, about fuse box location on Dodge Challenger. What you guys need to do for the Climatronic fuses, you need to open the hood, and when you face the engine on the left side here, you see that's on the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly, guys, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll, guys, put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.